Welcome to the show. Today is going to be the 14th of June, 2024. I am Connor with Honor. This show, today's update for today, is going to be brought to you by SantaClaritaOpenHouses.com. It's going to be our new system. It's going to be up and running by the 18th. Fingers crossed. Currently, you can go to ConnorWithHonor.com to be able to see what's going on with regard to the real estate inventory and our updates. Now, here's some breaking news for you regarding Santa Clarita real estate. We have posted over 400 listings finally in the Santa Clarita Valley for sale. If we look at these listings, these are going to span the width between single-family residences, condominiums, and townhomes. That being the case, this uptick in listings, because of school being out in session, is really sponsoring a higher buyer drive than normal. In fact, I've been getting a lot more phone calls from people looking to relocate to Southern California than actually leave Southern California. Despite what you see on the news, I will have some headline debunking here in just a moment we can talk about. So at 405 total active listings, the 7-day breakdown in Santa Clarita Valley, 10 listings have been posted coming soon. 86 listings are new, placed on the market last 7 days. We have 45 properties that have had their prices changed. 23 properties went back on market. 29 properties went active under contract. 50 went pending. 58 actually sold this last week in all of the Santa Clarita Valley cities. 7 expired, 11 canceled. 13 have been put on hold, 1 have been withdrawn, and that gives us that total of 405 active listings, and that, again, single-family residence, condominiums, townhomes. Some of the headlines that are out there in the market really are built to mislead, so you have to be careful on the sources you're looking at. Even the major news companies, they understand that those clickbait titles are very, very lucrative for them because people do click through, and of course everybody wants to see whose cat has been bouncing on the top of the Empire State Building wearing a clown's mask and large floppy feet. Headline debunking. Let's get number one. Home prices skyrocketing out of reach. While it is true the prices have increased, the market does remain accessible. With new listings coming in, there definitely is balance. We're even seeing that in the local market. However, that balance is probably double or triple our inventory from being truly balanced. Right now, we are very much in a seller's market. And for real estate buyers, just understand going in, if you're looking to purchase real estate at this time, you're going to have high competition. So whenever you're formulating your offers with your agent, you really need to sit down and pull out all the stops. Pull out as many stops as you possibly can while still being comfortable. In other words, if you're going to be making that offer, and let's say you want to be competitive, so you're going to reduce your inspection time frames from where they are in contract, typically around 17 days. That's the California contract. If you want to change that to try to appear to be more competitive with other buyers, maybe you whack that down to 12 or 10 days in your offer. So basically stating to the seller, listen, we're going to give you these terms, we're going to give you this amount of money for the property, but we would like to maybe sweeten the deal just a little bit. So instead of you having to wait 17 days for us to complete our inspections, what we're going to do as a buyer, we're going to do our due diligence, and we're going to get those inspections done quickly, get you those reports that we might need response to, having further inquiries about things that we discovered, and then finally putting together this request for repairs or credits or inquiry to the seller in written form, talking about what was discovered and what the buyer would like as a remedy for those items. In order to do that quicker, maybe the seller isn't willing to step forward and help the buyer with anything, and that's great. That's just the way real estate is sometimes. But then at that time, that buyer has a decision whether or not to move forward or not move forward. This process, though, can be compressed to maybe make your offer look a little bit more appealing to the home seller. I'm Connor MacIvor. When you're ready, reach out. And again, don't forget Santa Clarita Open Houses. That system's going to be up on the 18th. And it is always my pleasure. Thank you for watching. We will be back soon with the next show. Don't forget to check out the Fat to Fit Realtor channel. We do have that posted and running as well on Facebook, talking about things other than real estate. Be well, everybody. Thank you. Tune in my podcast. You can go to iTunes or Alexa Radio, any of those systems out there, Spotify, and find Connor with Honor on the radio. Be well. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.